All right, I'm getting closer on my canoe seats, so this one looks pretty darn good. This is, I've been, if you look at the wood, gosh, I have to do another video about the wood, but it is nice. Anyway, so this cane wound up being pretty good. The other cane that I've done, but I've had to do a lot of work. It took a long time to get this out. So this is, I wound up getting it out with vinegar, and I'll make a little video about it. But I have this small hole, right? I think it's 8 inches by 12 inches, or about that size. And I need I need something to fill in that hole. And this is what I'm asking for. So I don't particularly want to buy a yard of fabric to fill in this hole. So here's what I'm thinking. Now, I could get cane, but I really don't know how to use cane. So as an interim, or maybe even as a permanent, I'm looking for a chair, like this outdoor chair that has this outdoor fabric on it, or any kind of fabric that would work. I know that a lot of times these chairs get rusted at the bottom and people throw them away. So this one's actually starting to get a little rusted down here, but usually it's on the very bottom. So if you happen to have a chair, or this is fabric anyway, that you're trying to get rid of, that you're getting ready to throw in a dumpster, hey, I'll take it. So trade it up for a ride on the canoe, and maybe even some pizza. So if you have anything that could help me out, man, hey, I'm all ears. If you have any recommendations, I'm all ears too.